Hello future coders. Welcome back to another video from CodeRobo, where learning coding is fun. In this video, we are going to continue our draw course and our alphabet series where we will complete our mission 10, where we have to draw an alphabet W. So let's get started. If I zoom it in a little bit, you will see the robot is facing in the downward direction. So I'll have to turn the head of the robot first of all. So for that I will be using turn left as I don't want it to draw anything. So that's why I'm going to just simply turn its head to somewhere around 180 degrees. Then I'm going to make it move forward for 1.5 steps ahead. A little bit, because it needs to reach to the point from where it can start drawing. Then we will be using place pen. After that we will be using move forward by 7 steps. As you know, if you zoom it in, you can just count the number of blocks. And if you have 7 blocks, that means you have to move 7 steps ahead. Then we will be using move backward in order to come back and turn the angle 7. Then we will be turning somewhere towards right side, 42 degrees. After that we will be using move forward, which is going to be 4.7, and with that we will be turning the robot towards the right side 100 degrees. Then we are going to use move forward, which is going to be again 4.7, and turn left by 142 degrees. Then the last block is going to be move forward by 7 steps. Now the code is done. Let's click on Run button and see how it goes. So you'll see it's highlighting the block. We are moving forward by 7, moving backward by 7 steps ahead. Then we are going to turn right 42 degrees, moving ahead with 4.7 steps, turning right by 100, moving forward by 4.7, turning left by 142, and completing the last line. Yes, we have drawn our alphabet W. Hope you liked the video. Like, share, subscribe to CodeRobo.